Welcome to the world of YouTube thumbnails, where a picture speaks 1,000 clicks. YouTube remains the undisputed champion of social media networking sites today. That's a fact, and not just my opinion. According to research, 81% of Americans use YouTube compared to 69% of those who use Facebook. And that's right, YouTube is not just a platform, but it's a hub of creativity and a powerhouse of connection. But with all of this, it's worth noting that according to YouTube, 90% of the best performing videos have custom thumbnails. Your thumbnail is actually almost like the video's marketing. If you don't have a good marketing, no one is gonna watch it. So you can make the coolest and mind-blowing video in the world, but if the thumbnail sucks, no one is ever gonna click on the video. So today, I'm gonna dive you into one of the most crucial aspects of YouTube success, which is creating a killer video thumbnail that grabs attention. When you look at channels like MrBeast, Ali Abdaal, or James Journey, among others, it's clear that they've mastered the art of thumbnail creation in a way that sets them apart. But the question becomes, what exactly did they do that perhaps we are not aware of? What strategies have they employed to achieve such a remarkable success? So join me on this journey of discovery as we uncover the secret of thumbnail creation that will elevate your content and set you apart from the YouTube crowd. Firstly, we have connecting with your viewers using emotions and expressions in the thumbnail. In the world of YouTube, grabbing attention is the name of the game. But one may ask, how do I actually stand out in the sea of videos competing for attention? So think about it. When you scroll through YouTube, what makes you stop and click on a video? Sure, the title and the topic, right? But it's often the thumbnail that seals the deal. And what makes a thumbnail irresistible? It's actually the emotion. For example, this MrBeast thumbnail evokes feelings of happiness and joy, thereby making the viewers curious about the content behind the smile. And one thing to note is that when your viewers feel something about your thumbnail, they are more likely to engage with the video and remember it afterward. Again, this thumbnail immediately catches the eye and sparks curiosity. What unexpected lies within the video? Emotions triggers curiosity, and when viewers feel touched by a thumbnail, they actually want to know more, driving them to click and watch the video. Another example is this thumbnail that expresses fear. So this kind of thumbnail makes the viewer to click on your video in order to uncover the source of the fear expressed in the thumbnail. So this leads me to my next point, grabbing attention with high contrast and vibrant colors on thumbnails. With millions of videos competing for clicks on YouTube, your thumbnail needs to shine brighter than the rest. Imagine scrolling through your YouTube feed and then among the sea of thumbnails, one catches your eye instantly. It's not just because of the catchy title or famous face. It's the burst of colors that demands your attention. And that's the power of high contrast and vibrant colors. So in the world of YouTube attention, high contrast and vibrant colors are your secret weapons. And the next time you are designing a thumbnail, remember to crank up the contrast and unleash the power of vibrant colors. Your audience won't be able to look away. Capture their attention, ignite their curiosity, and watch your videos soar to new heights. That's the magic of high contrast and vibrant colors in thumbnails. Next, we have the power of clear and readable text in YouTube thumbnails. It's like the headline of a newspaper article. It needs to be catchy and informative. So the secret to creating a clear and readable text for your YouTube thumbnail is by keeping it bold, simple, and eye-catching. Experiment with different font, sizes, and colors to find what works best for your channel. And avoid long sentences or paragraphs that clutter the thumbnail, because you actually have a few seconds to capture your viewers' attention to actually click on the thumbnail. So one thing to bear in mind is keeping your text short and sweet to make every word count. Now, this also leads to another important point, which is consistent branding. Consistent branding in YouTube thumbnail is a powerful tool that can set you apart in the YouTube landscape. By incorporating elements like logos, color palettes, and fonts, you can actually create thumbnails that not only grab attention but also build trust and loyalty with your audience. Since it's of no use having content if nobody is actually gonna click and watch it. A good method I recommend is by looking at your favorite channels and sorting their videos by the most popular to see which thumbnail did particularly well for them. That way, you can have a folder of inspirations when it comes to making your own thumbnails. However, there is one thing to the final ingredient, which is optimizing for mobile viewers. Today's viewers use their smartphones and tablets to access YouTube, so it is crucial to make your thumbnail mobile friendly. This means that the thumbnails needs to be optimized to grab attention and convey information effectively even on small screens. However, as you continue your journey of creating YouTube content, remember that thumbnails are just one piece of the puzzle. And mastering the art of killer thumbnails for YouTube requires a combination of creativity, strategic thinking, and continuous improvements. By understanding the power of thumbnails, applying key design principles, optimizing for mobile viewers, and embracing testing and iteration, you can actually create thumbnails that stand out, grab attention, and drive clicks to your videos. So go ahead and unleash your creativity to craft thumbnails that leave a lasting impression on your audience. Good luck, and as always, take care.